Having your smartphone hacked is like robbing your house and taking away all your belongings. Do you know that the more you stay online your phone have, the higher chance of being hacked? In this video, I will be sharing some tips on how to save your phone from being hacked. But before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so as to get notified when a new content is out. 1. Avoid public Wi-Fi. You should be very careful of the danger of using an open Wi-Fi. Do not, because of free data connection, endanger your privacy to be exposed. If you do not trust the source of the free Wi-Fi, better consider using a VPN application. Check our next video on how to use a VPN application. 2. Lock your smartphone always. Every smartphone has a security feature. One way to secure your phone from unauthorized access is to make sure your phone is locked always. You can use PIN, pattern, face unlock or thumbprint feature to make secure your phone. However, you need to remember the password you use so that whenever you want to make use of your phone, you can get access to it. 3. Avoid clicking on random link on social media. Many people's data has been hacked because of clicking on links that are not trusted. You need to be very careful when any link is being shared to you. If you cannot trust the source of the link, do not click on it. 4. Be careful who you add as friend on social media. Within a space of 5 minutes, anyone can create social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and the likes. Be careful on any friend request. Anytime you have a new friend request, it is advisable to check through their profile. Check if they are active in group and in their timeline. And if you do not find any information regarding them, do not accept their friend request. 5. Don't answer an unknown number. You might not want to agree on me on that because you are already saying, what if it's my parents or friends or an emergency? Well, you are right, but do you know that with just a few seconds call, you can get hacked and you might ended up in jail if the hacker used your information to commit a crime? So, what should you do? Pick up an unknown number when you met a new friend and probably exchange number. Do not answer anyone requesting for your PIN or bank information. And if you suspect anyone trying to collect vital information from you, disconnect the communication. In conclusion, your phone is your safe house. You need to keep it safe. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel in order to see more content like this.